Greetings from Seal Beach, California. I come here all the time, but I mean, it's the beach. Can you blame me? As far as I can remember, literally since I was a baby, I've been creative. I attribute that to my parents when I was a baby. Got me a little keyboard, a little piano keyboard, and put it in my crib. And then a few years later, when I was a little bit older, they got me a drum set. Basically, since I was a baby, I was making music of some sort. And that gave me my ear to be able to play like piano, you know, hear something and be able to play it. And that started my love of music. Fast forward, I was a band nerd in high school, middle school. Ended up majoring in music, ended up being a middle school and high school band director for 4 years. Enjoyed the teaching aspect, did not enjoy anything else about it, to be honest. So it wasn't for me. People who are still doing it, you have an amazingly hard job and you deserve all the credit you do for everything that you guys have to put up with teaching in public schools nowadays. Not gonna get political. So after about 4 years of teaching middle school and high school, I decided that I wanted to travel as a career, and have been doing that for 11 years, but one thing I do miss is the creativity. I don't have a creative outlet with the job itself, so I'm the weird guy, I'm the weird flight attendant who brings, you know, camera gear and a drone with me. I carry all that stuff around with me every trip, and it's a pain. It's a huge pain in the ass to lug around, but it's my creative outlet. And if I don't have that creative outlet, then I get just burnt out. What I'm getting at is doing photography, doing videography. I'm doing it just to do it. Like with the YouTube thing, I've been doing about a year. I just do it to do it. Back when I was in middle school, literally middle school, I had a very basic music program called Cakewalk on my computer. And I would compose, I would arrange, mainly for like kind of like concert band, marching band, things like that. But I got kind of good at it. My last year teaching ended up my high school band performed stuff that I wrote for the marching band show. Wrote and arranged, which is kind of neat. And I would do it all the time. I would compose. Since college, high school, college, and after that, I would just compose. I never sold anything. I would just compose, and that was my creative outlet. And then the laptop that I had, my entire collection of music that I had written, thousands of pieces, was just gone. The computer crashed. I couldn't recover anything, and since then I haven't been able to write anything. So despite losing everything that I ever wrote, and I never printed it out, I never backed it up because I was stupid. Despite losing all of that I worked for years and years and years on, I needed a new creative outlet. So I got Katie a camera for Christmas or her birthday, and ended up kind of stealing it, although that wasn't the plan. Doing photography, doing videography has become my new creative outlet, and it's something that I really enjoy doing.
getting at is I'll spend weeks getting drone footage, time lapses, B-roll, all this cinematic footage. I'll take forever and I'll edit it down, edit it into music, and just very, very labor intensive, time consuming to put on YouTube or what have you, and nobody watches it. And I'm completely fine with that, which is basically kind of where I'm getting at. I'm doing it just because I enjoy the process, and that's dying. It's a dying art, in my opinion, because I've never posted a YouTube story, I've never posted an Instagram story, a Facebook story, and it seems like that's what online media is now. Instagram, I enjoy photography. I enjoy taking a picture, going out and planning a photo, and I'll post it on Instagram, and it gets like maybe 4 or 5 likes, and okay, that's fine. And then there's people on Instagram that'll go on and they won't even scroll the pictures, they'll just look at stories. And that's what it is now. And it's because we're catering, we as a society, or we as whatever, is catering to attention deficit disorder. That's those quick 20, 15-second videos that just keep you scrolling, and it just keep you hooked. And then on the people that do that, you know, shoot something quick with their phone and just post it, just one right after the other, they get the views. Everybody's trying to be TikTok. I've never even used TikTok, and I'm not going to use TikTok. It's hurting the people who go out, the photographers who just want to take good photos, edit good photos, and it's hurting the YouTubers who want to go out and create these big cinematic things. They get no views because people come in and they post a 20-second little video, and then you go from another one to another one to another one. So that's what everything is now. That's what Facebook is now. So I'll go out on a photo shoot, I'll post some photos on Facebook, I'll go post a picture every other day or whatever on Instagram, and every once in a while, maybe once a month or twice a month if I've got the time, I'll do a big cinematic video that's my creative project for the month, and then if not, I might do a quick vlog or something like that, and it's not going to get any views. I am okay with that because it's all about the process, the creative process. I'm not trying to go out and go viral, be viral. I just want to make good content because it's my hobby, it's my creative outlet. So I am going to go to the coffee shop and have my 3rd cup of coffee today because my flight is delayed, because every time I have this layover, my flight is delayed. It was delayed last night. They already posted the delay when we landed last night for a 21-hour layover. I don't know. Go figure. But anyway, for the 2 of you who are watching this video, thank you. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for supporting us. And if you'd like, comments. No, I don't say that shit.